Hi everyone, welcome to Kita's Sinful Kitchen. I'm Rakita and today I'm going to be sharing my Taste of India Paneer recipe with you all. So to start off with the paneer, you'll have to have a large saucepan, put about 4 to 6 tablespoons of olive oil to fry that, and make sure it's slightly brown on both of the larger ends of the cubes. Flip it over once you realize that it's starting to brown. Take that off of the stove and sit it on the side. You'll then need to start to make the gravy. So you'll need 2 tablespoons of butter. You'll have to melt that into your saucepan. Once it's melted, you'll have to add jiro, which is cumin seeds. 1 teaspoon of that into the butter once it's melted. And once that starts sizzling, add in your onions. Once your onions have softened, add in your tomatoes and use a masher to mash it up. Once that's mashed up, add in your peppers that you've diced up, simmer that for a few minutes, add in 1 cup of whole Greek yogurt, and add in 1 cup of half and half. Stir that well, add in 2 to 3 teaspoons of tandoori masala. Once you've added that, add in 1 teaspoon of salt and half a teaspoon of turmeric. Once you've added that, mix that well, add in the paneer. Once it's simmered for 15 to 20 minutes, it's ready to serve with parathas or rice. I hope you all get to enjoy this fantastic recipe with your loved ones. And if you do try it, if you could please comment and let me know how it turns out. Please share pictures. I would love to see it all. Thanks for watching Kita's Sinful Kitchen.